Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I am going to be working with the Traditional Wreath 3D embossing folder this week. And going through several different ways to use it, so I'll be incorporating other stamp sets in for greetings and things like that. And we are going to do 4 videos this week using the Traditional Wreath 3D embossing folder. So this is our first one, and it's the reverse embossing effect. And then the stamp set for this one is the Bauble Blooms, and that's where I got the greeting, the joyous wishes to you and yours. So I'm going to change it up just a little bit for the video today. This one, I thought that this was just a little bit too much white space in the middle. So what I've done is, this one is Granny Apple Green. This one I'm going to do in Flirty Flamingo to do a non-traditional color. But I've done the Stylish Shapes die. I've done the larger size in the Flirty Flamingo and a smaller size in the Joyous Wishes. And we are going to use the Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink gems on this one. So what do we need to do? We need a standard North American card base, and I've got that in Flirty Flamingo. We need a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of basic white, and we're going to run it through our embossing folder. Now, traditionally, we would have it the embossed side up so that the leaves are this way. We are going to use it upside down so that the leaves are actually depressed. They're down and inside. And all we're going to do is we're going to take our ink pad and we're going to drag it across the surface. And what that's going to do is it's going to put the depressed bits or the debossed bits into focus. So you can do as much or as little of the inking as you want, and I think that's probably enough. And I love, love, love on this one, I don't know if you can see it, but the way the berries are and the embossing folder, there's a little dimple in them on this side. So when you do it on this side, it's like that little, the little base of the berry. So it really, really brings it out really well. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to run some adhesive right along each edge, because this is a detailed folder, so it will waffle if we don't put adhesive right on the edges. So we're going to do that, and then we're just going to adhere it down like this. Give it a bit of a push, and then we're going to dimensionalize the center. So we're just going to put 4 dimensionals on this, and then we're just going to peel these off. So there we go. And we're going to pop this down right in the middle. So I'm just going to make sure I'm square, and I'm going to use my grid paper to make sure that my card is square. And then I'm going to line this up. And we're going to make sure that we are good, just like that. There we go. And then I'm going to take those Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink. And I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. I think I might use the gold ones, actually. And we're just going to pop 3 along the top, just around that arc. Like that. Oops, we're going to stick that one down. There we go. And then 3 along the bottom, just following again that arc. Like this. There we go. So what we've got is 2 Joyous Wishes to you and yours, 1 in Flirty Flamingo and 1 in the Granny Apple Green. Super simple debossing effect with the Traditional Wreath 3D embossing folder. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.